In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find transaction ID in Gcash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to copy the reference number you need for tracking payments, filing support requests, or keeping your personal records tidy. First, open your Gcash account. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in so the latest activity loads correctly. Once you're on the home screen, you don't need to start a new payment or do anything complicated. We're simply going to look up details for a transaction that already happened. Next, tap the Transactions section. Depending on your app version, you might see it labeled as Transactions or something similar on the main screen or along the bottom menu. This takes you to your activity list. Here you'll see a timeline of your recent activity, cash-ins, payments, transfers, and other actions, usually arranged from newest to oldest. Take a moment to glance at the amounts, dates, and brief descriptions so you can quickly spot what you're looking for. Now, locate the specific transaction you need. Scroll through the list and look for the entry that matches the date, amount, and merchant or recipient related to your concern. When you see it, tap that entry to open its full details. This detailed view is where Gcash shows the unique identifier for that transaction. On the details screen, look for a field labeled Transaction ID, Reference Number, or sometimes Ref&No. This is the unique code assigned to that transaction. It's what Gcash and partner services use to track and verify the movement of funds behind the scenes. It may be a long combination of numbers and letters, and that's normal. Once you've located it, you can copy it. Many versions of the app let you copy by long pressing the number or by tapping a small copy icon beside it. If your device supports it, you'll see a confirmation that it's been copied to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it into a note, a support chat, or an email thread. If copying isn't available, carefully write the number down and double-check each character. Keep this code private and only share it with trusted channels such as official support to protect your account information. That's all there is to it. Open your Gcash account, go to Transactions, find the specific transaction, and view or copy the transaction ID, also known as the reference number. Save it somewhere secure so you can quickly provide it whenever you need to verify a payment or resolve an issue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you locate your transaction details with confidence.